Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Exeinfo PE in your computer in a very simple way. It checks what technology any .exe file was built with. Very useful app. You can simply download it by open up any of your favorite browser and then simply search for Excel info dot space PE and click enter. And then you're going to get Excel Exeinfo. It's not Excel info, it's a Exeinfo. I made a mistake in pronunciation. So right now you just have to click on this link. And here you're going to get free download option. So if you click on that, first you have to close this and then you're going to get the free download for PC. Click on that. And you can see that your download has started. Here it is. So you can see if you click on download, it's downloaded. Now, if you click on the folder icon, you're going to get a zip file. So you have to click on extract all, click on extract, and here's the Excel info. So now what you have to do here, you have to click on this Exeinfo, click on that, and now you can simply use it. So it's a very uncommon app, but if you really wanted to know about this application, then you can simply comment below. I can simply show you how you can simply use it and how you can simply make a efficient use about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.